say Motilal Oswal has done a good job of, it's a good initiative by the company, because we're exposing these young children to technology which is just up in the air at the moment for them. They just hear these words but they don't really understand it. So this was a good experience for them. It's hands-on and it's a beginning, and I'm sure they'll sort of, at least an interest is, the spark is there now to study more about it.
I enjoyed it a lot because at home I'm really interested in how things work and how people operate it, and also when I used to go into the lifts, and when the lift door used to open, I kept on taking small steps inside it, see when the light starts. So it was really interesting for me.
At home, I do have this thing where we're connecting wires in circuits, but I didn't really use it that much. But here, I learned much more.
I agree. All schools should have a program like this, something out of the box, something out of their academics.